Hey guys, welcome back. I just grabbed my coffee. Let's head over to Dollar Tree to see what DIY we can come up with. First thing that caught my eye were these burlap bags. They make for a cute personalized goodie bag. I grabbed a few, so let's jump right into it. Poli Tape was kind enough to send over their creative box. It was filled with all the different high quality heat transfer vinyls that they offer. There was glitter vinyl, Polyflex image, premium, and flock vinyl, along with other textured vinyls that they carry. So just going through the different vinyls that they carry, I was really surprised with the color selection and the variety of vinyls. I like that each sample card came with directions and heat settings according to the type of vinyl you are going to use. So I'll be sure to link them down below for you guys if you are interested in checking them out. I'm not gonna say that I recommend them just yet because I haven't actually used the vinyl. So watch till the end to see if I do or if I don't. So for this project, I'm going with the Polyflex glitter in the color shade Neon Purple, and I'll be using my Cricut mini press on the highest heat for 15 seconds. Remember in my last video, I showed you guys how to weld, and I talked about a project that I had in mind. This is it, guys. I am making my nieces personalized goodie bags for Valentine's Day that I think they will love, especially with the goodies that I'm gonna put inside. But first impression on the glitter vinyl, it actually cut pretty nice, and I like how nice it's weeding so far. I used my Cricut Explore Air 2, set the dial to custom setting, chose glitter vinyl on more pressure. For a nice clean cut, be sure to have a sharp, clean blade. That is crucial and will determine your cut, you guys. Let me just remove all the excess we don't need. You really want to double, even triple check, because since it's a heat transfer, you don't want any negative pieces to go onto your bag or your shirt or whatever it is that you're gonna put the heat transfer on. So this one, I didn't size it correctly and I cut off a piece, as you guys can see, the Y here. But that's okay because I cut out the piece that I did need, and I'm just gonna do a little quick, what would you call it, like a, not a hack, but you guys will just see. I'm gonna cut it, and because it is a heat transfer, I'm gonna make sure to blend it when I use my heat press. No one will ever know. I've tried out other types of glitter vinyl and I always struggle with something, either the cut or the weeding part of it. I'm not even kidding you guys. This was easy to use and it melted into the fabric nicely. And for this next one, I'm gonna be extra careful because remember, we didn't size it correctly, but that's okay. That's one of the beauties of using heat transfer vinyl. You can just blend it in and no one is going to know. Especially if you're using glitter vinyl, I think it's a little bit more forgiving. I mean, you don't wanna do this all the time, but on that rare occasion that you have an oopsie, this will work out. You just have to make sure your blending skills are on point. But like I said, glitter vinyl, a little bit more forgiving. So we did 4 burlap bags, and in this time I can tell you that I like it so far. Definitely gonna keep trying it and let you guys know more as I work on other projects. But see, nobody is going to know. Can you even tell that I blended that? I mean, they turned out so cute. I filled them up with all the things that my little nieces are gonna love, plus candy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and for more videos like this, please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, turn on notifications so you don't miss out. And if you guys have any questions, please leave us a comment down below. And I will see you guys in the next video.